Hello, welcome. My name is Ryan Caldwell, and this is a video for the msmoodle.com website to show students how to use our videos and learn the content that's being taught in those videos. So it's something we call the SeeDoLearn process, where we're going to actually set up the video to see it. The students are actually going to perform it and do it, and hopefully after that they'll learn the concept from there. So to demonstrate this and how this is going to work, I want to explain the concept of setting up your screen environment. So what we're going to do, it's a fairly simple process, is to open up an internet browser, and then we're going to simply go to youtube.com. That's where most of the videos are warehoused. Then we're going to search in the YouTube for the training video that you're looking for specifically. And then we're going to organize the video so that it's playing on half of the screen. Maybe in this case it's going to be on the left hand side of the screen. Then we're going to open up your application. So for example, in this video we're going to look at the Microsoft Excel program, and we're going to do a little lesson on that. It's going to be opened and displayed on the right hand side of the screen. So from there, your environment is set up so that you can see the video, you can do, and you can learn the content. Alright, so from there, let's get started and show you how this works. So first thing we're going to do is open up the browser. So I'm going to use Firefox here. And we're going to go to the website called youtube.com. All right, from here, we're going to look for the video. Now, if you're using the msmoodle website, these videos are already connected and linked together. So you wouldn't have to go through this process of actually searching for the video. So the video we're going to look at is called Excel Goal Seek 2003. I did a video on this one, so I'm going to use that as my example. So this is the video right here, so I'm going to select it and just put it on mute for now. So this is a pretty standard YouTube video, and you've got controls over here to look at higher resolution, make it look a little bit clearer. And then what we're going to do is we want to actually perform the tasks that are going on in the video. So we're going to reduce the screen. So at the top right corner here, I'm going to just hit the restore button and size the screen down here to about half of the monitor size. So this will give us control over looking at the video itself and the content, and it'll also allow me to go down into my Excel program here. So I'm going to open up Excel, and then in Excel I'm going to restore it so that you can see the Excel on the right hand side. So this is what we're talking about by the see the instructions, do the instruction, and then learn the content or the materials. So for example, here you can see it says the amount of a loan, and you can just follow along and say the amount of the loan, and the cursor across, and it gets you to open this up and type in some data in here, and then you're going to go back into interest and so on. Now the video is getting ahead of me here, so I want to slow that down. This is the nice part of this whole process, is that you can simply just put it on pause, or you can grab the video and rewind it to the point that you got lost here. So I got lost here at the interest rate of 10%. So I'm going to just pause the video and just catch up here. So I'm going to type in some content here, and I'm kind of ready to go to the next step. They're talking about the payment program here on B8. I'm just going to go to B8, and I could go up into this line right here and actually go in and start typing in my payment formula, for example, and follow it along. Now, once I feel like I've caught up to this, I could hit the play button again and then carry on. And what's really nice about this is that if you were teaching this in a live class, students don't have that opportunity to pause the instructor. But here you do. You can have full control over the presentation. So you can stop, rewind, fast forward, and there's even closed captioning here as well. All right, so this is a sample of how you would use the see the instructions, do the instructions, and then learn the content materials. So this is how all the videos are going to be set up, hopefully for the training for the msmoodle.com website. So we'll see you in the